welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a My Little Pony cake. I'm excited about this. Let's get started.
First, I stack the cake. This is banana cake and vanilla American buttercream. I frost the cake. And clean up the cake board. Then I mix some white fondant with a bit of blue to make a sky blue color. I rolled it out and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Next, I rolled out rainbow colors. I started with red, rolling it into a long snake. Then orange. Then yellow. Then green. Then blue, and finally purple. I set a small circle cutter against the cake and wrapped the purple snake around it and curled up on one end. Then I wrapped the blue around the purple. Then the green around the blue. The green was a bit dry. Then yellow. Then orange. And finally red, making them into a curled up rainbow. Next, I decided to make some clouds with chunks of white fondant shaped into blobs and placed around the bottom of the cake. Then I decided to make Rainbow Dash. I started with the chunky legs. I rolled a thick snake and cut them into 4 equal lengths. I rolled them so one end was thicker than the other. Her feet are wider than the legs. The body is a round sausage. I placed the body on the legs. Then I supported them with pieces of toothpick. By the way, whenever you use something that you can't eat on a cake, make sure you tell the person eating it. We don't want anyone choking. Then the head is a teardrop shape, and I pinched up the ears. Then I stuck the head on with another toothpick, but it was just a bit too unstable. So I placed it on the cake at this point and used a whole toothpick to go through the whole pony and into the cake itself. That should help her stand up. Then I rolled some thin snakes of rainbow colors and wrapped them around to be the mane. and I wrapped all of the colors together into one fat snake and made it into the tail. The eyes are rather hard to see what I'm doing. I used a round piping tip to cut out some black circles. Then I mixed a pinch of purple with a bit of red for the eye color. I rolled it out and used a bit bigger round piping tip to cut out the eye color and added the black to it, and then I added them to the pony. Then the whites I cut out too large since I didn't have the right size piping tip anymore, but I put them directly onto the pony. It looked a bit weird, but then I trimmed them down to size. I added tiny dots of white to be catchlights. Then I added snakes of black fondant above her eyes to be eyelashes, and one for her mouth. So, My Little Pony fans, now is your time to shine. What did I leave off of Rainbow Dash? Put your answer in the comments. But I love this cake. It's perfect for the girly pony fan, people who love rainbows, and of course My Little Pony fans. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cake videos and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I've made a new video.